To estimate the relative amount of caffeine in different brands of tea, a simple cup of tea acts as muscle, cardiac, and respiratory stimulant. Diuretic properties of tea are due to caffeine content of tea, which depend on variety and place where it is grown. Caffeine is found in tea leaves, coffee beans, kola nuts, coca beans. Flavors of tea are due to compounds known as tannins, which are colored polyphenolic compounds and other flavoring agents. Madam, what is the importance of tea? Importance of tea: acts as a stimulant, has antiviral and germicidal activity. Black tea is capable of reducing total cholesterol and triglycerides. Tea is diuretic substance. Drinking tea facilitates muscle contraction induced by nerve stimulation. Let's do an experiment to estimate the relative amount of caffeine in different brands of tea. Our aim here is to estimate the relative amount of caffeine in different brands of tea. Materials required are beaker, conical flask, funnel, heating arrangements, samples of tea, calcium carbonate, dilute H2SO4, chloroform. Procedure: take 10 gram tea leaves and add 10 ml distilled water and boil. Cool and filter through filter paper. To the filtrate, add 2 gram of solid calcium carbonate and boil. Tannic acid precipitates as calcium tannate and filter this precipitate. To this filtrate, add H2SO4. A precipitate of lead sulfate is obtained. Filter this precipitate. To the filtrate, now add chloroform 3 to 4 times. Remove the solvent by heating in steam bath and the residue left behind is caffeine. Weigh the residue. Observation: brand of tea, caffeine content. Result: tea contains large caffeine content. Tea with high percentage of caffeine gives better flavor. Precautions: add equal amount of water and chemicals to the samples. Boil the tea for equal time for all samples. Caffeine is insoluble in cold water, so aqueous extract is kept at boiling temperatures. Chloroform is toxic, so should be handled carefully.
Thank you, ma'am, for this knowledgeable experiment.